Welcome to How Logical the World of Tutorials Where Complexity Meets Technique. You're watching BIGO Live series part 6. In this video, I will show you how you can chat in BIGO Live application. So for that, you need to open your BIGO Live application first. In this home page, you can see various icons below. Click on the chat icon next to the camera icon. And by tapping on the profile of the person, you will be able to chat with them. You can tap any message, emojis and send it to that person. Here, this person is friend with me, so I could find this person in my chat list. But if you want to chat with some new person, then first you need to go to their profile. Go to the profile of that person. Below you will see chat option. By clicking on it, you will be able to chat with them. You can type any message or emojis and send it to that person. So this is how you chat in BIGO Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.